say it was before me, so they didn't feel like, oh, I didn't to tell me it's not no. Them stop talk, and I did before me, and them never feel like it was nothing because of this and because of that. Bitch, I don't care if it was 100 BC. If you're gonna come to my home when my man there, in my face, I do my face, you need to say that. Like, don't hide behind my back, being my man's ex-woman and up in my face. What? Who is crazy people? Who does that? That's crazy. And you know the worst thing about it? Them turn when I make it look like I'm me crazy. So who not gonna tell me if me crazy, you know? Listen to the story again. Because when I'm upset, I realize even on camera, I don't know how to explain myself. Because I'm the type of person, I've never had to explain myself to no bitch. I don't give a fuck. When I get my conclusion, I'm out. I'm done. I'm like that. That's just who I am. I can't change that. And I understand on social media, when people come off real, uno take it as fake. But when somebody real, uno understand. So listen again. Karlie was friends with a girl. She's also a makeup artist. Her name now come to me, but I gotta remember the girl name. Because she have the audacity. Me have her screenshot. She go in on my DM. I text me about, why you telling Karlie this and that? The girl used to live at Karlie yard. She used to live with Karlie. But she's also a makeup artist, so she used to do my face. So I used to make her come to my house to do my face. So she's coming to my house. She's laughing in my face. She's laughing up with Justin. Them they act like cookie kiki. When we find out that bitch is Justin ex-gal when we used to fuck. So when me go to she said, oh, it was before. But you know, that God tell the case and give me the pillar. Me a girl, me not in the foolishness. That's what me stay. Me very just chop. So that's why I want to see the rest. Want to find out, argument done. So I know now. So we want to take it and run with it, take it and run with it. But when thing Gracie I go do, attack her truth, and Gracie I go always lay it out on the table and move on. I mean, not care and give a fuck about that. So them claims that because it was before me, I shouldn't feel no way. But I still did feel a way. So if you feel like I shouldn't feel a way, y'all can tell me, okay? Y'all be fair and tell me, right? After I went to Karlie about it, because remember, you know, the girl lived with Karlie, and them say Karlie know about it and she never tell me because she never said the need to tell me because it was before me. But even after I go to her and say, Karlie, can you believe this girl been in my house for 2 years? Wait, more than 2 years. Because she was in my apartment before I bought my first house in Atlanta. Because the house that I'm living in now, that's not my first house. So at first I was renting an apartment. That girl used to do my face. So it's 5 years. Hey. Mighty God of Daniel. Jesus Christ. The girl there in my yard, I do my face for 5 years. And she used to take the man. She used to sex with the man. And she never tell me. And she come on my yard when Justin there. She do my makeup. She and Justin a friend. And she in my house with the man. And them I go turn around and say, them never need to tell me because it was before me. You guys are going to see me react to certain things where somebody do me. When I was such a real, genuine friend to Karlie, when you guys used to turn against her. And then you go turn around and say, me not feel no way, me should not react. Me not act no way, why I'm mad? What's wrong with me? That's very disrespectful. That's very extremely disrespectful. All of them was just laughing in my face. While I was there supporting and pushing up Karlie. Karlie was just laughing in my face. And mind you, we know Karlie gonna come play victim and say, I didn't know. I didn't know. I had no idea. And that's okay. That's cool. But I told you though. So let's say you didn't know before, but when I told you, you acted like it was nothing. You acted like I was crazy. You were looking at me like, oh, so why you mad? And you were still friends with the girl. So when I moved from my first house, 40 minutes away from Atlanta, and I bought my house, now, after y'all did me all of that, I moved away from my house that I bought, packed up all my shit, bought a house for $2 million US, You moved behind me, and that girl is still your friends, so I must come home. Seeing that girl outside, and I must just be okay because I'm crazy. Spice is the villain. No, I'm not with Justin no more. I don't play them games. So when all of y'all was on the internet talking about, oh, y'all look so cute, bitch. I'm not staying with no man for look cute. Oh, y'all look so nice together. I'm not staying with no man to please anybody on social media for look cute. I'm not doing that. So let me backtrack again and move back here. When I moved from my house 40 minutes away from Atlanta, because I don't live in Atlanta, I'm afraid for time. I moved all the way to Fayetteville. So everyone who lives in Georgia knows how far Fayetteville is from Atlanta. So when I come with a mix up now and I move all the way to Fayetteville, you move behind me for a storyline because you're the one who moved for the storyline. I bought my house before you. And when you found out that I bought my house, you was going around trying to fight to get the house beside me. Because you saw a storyline in it. So you was the one who sold me out for a check. I didn't need a storyline. I already had my story. My real life is my story. I don't have to make up story for go up and love and hip hop. Me's a real artist and a real gal. You moved all the way behind me for a story. And then you turned around and act like, oh, I'm crazy. After everything that you did to me and I'm moving away to find peace when I thought I was dying in my lowest time. You turn around and say, you go to people here, you know, to Rashida. I don't know what's wrong with Spice. Oh, she just been acting crazy. Bitch, you know. You knew. What are you talking about, Karlie? Innocent Karlie. Spice is bullying me. I don't know what's wrong with her. You know. Karlie Red, you know what's wrong with me. So, because we're on a show, obviously, they're going to want to have conversation. They're going to want to know what's going on. But if we were never on Love and Hip Hop, bitch, you wouldn't see or heard me again. You would ever see me breathe. And you know this. So all of them look a forced conversation where you want me to come play and act like you. See, I'm not an actress. And I realize that when it's late. I'm on Love and Hip Hop and a lot of y'all motherfuckers on that show is like, do y'all like to act. Y'all like to act. And it's not just you, Karlie. A lot of them, they like to act. When the cameras come on, we get some different people. What's wrong with her, bitch? You know. You know. I just don't know how to put it on and turn it off. And that's where I went wrong. I'm always going in with my real self. Bitch, you fuck me up. I don't want no friend from you. That's just me and who I am. And that's where I go wrong. But you know how to act. You know when the cameras come on, you need to start crying. You know when the cameras turn on Karlie Red, you need to start crying so that Spice can look like the villain. I didn't know that. I never go acting class. I never take no classes. You never tell me that. So when we all in the room in real life and all of y'all who hate each other and talking shit about each other, when the camera come on for to talk on the real truth, I lie. Oh gosh, I don't know how to do that. Nobody never tell me say I saw it for go. Bitch, you never tell me say I ask how I run for and love and hip hop. So when me go on it with myself, natural self now, I mean no say you not like me. And me go on it and me from you not like me, me not like you neither. Oh, Spice is so angry. But you know, should I tell me say I act me for go on it go act? Because I didn't know I should be acting. Me never know me go on it with my real self. You know, like for turn on for the camera and that's the problem. So I'm not doing that. So what else me need to clear up? Because I'm not come back and talk about this again. What you want to believe, and who you want to take it and run with it. Karlie Red did not get me on Love and Hip Hop. Let's clear that up tonight. Karlie Red did not know me when I went on Love and Hip Hop. So most of you on Love and Hip Hop page who don't really know Gracie or don't really know Spice and like to talk about the little 20 seconds that you see, let's clear this up right now. Karlie Red did not get me on Love and Hip Hop. The first time I met Karlie Red was when she come a Montego Bay. She didn't know me. She never met me. We were never friends. We never spoke. She don't know how I got on that show. And how I got on that show is a secret, but I can call Stacey Chung name, which is not Karlie Red. And the woman who pushed and vouched for me to be on that show, I'm not going to say. But it wasn't Karlie Red. So y'all can stop with that narrative that, oh, but Karlie Red got you on the show. No, the fuck she didn't. She did not know me. She didn't know who I am. But she liked to read the comments and leave those comments and act like it's true and go to the ones that is saying bad things about me and answer to that and talk about, I don't know what's wrong with her. You know what's wrong with me, Karlie. So Karlie Red, after you used me, because that's what you did, and I'm going to continue to say it, and you feel like you don't need me anymore, and you feel like you're cool. You are gonna get me. You're gonna get what's coming, I'm telling you. Because you like for play, like you feel like say you're a victim all the time. But you don't understand. Let me explain something to you too. Because you see, I'm very strong-headed and strong-minded. I don't care what people say about me on social media. I got a heart in here that I try to make sure that is right with God. And as long as my heart is right with God, bitch, I'm good. Okay? So when you try to plot, twist, and create this narrative and you feel like, oh, Spice, people saying things about Spice and people saying bad, I don't care. You care about it. You're the one who used to take pills for it. You're the one who normally go crazy. You're the one who normally can't sleep. I sleep good. I sleep good because I know my heart. I know who I am. I know who I was to you. I know I was a great friend. I know everything I did for you. I know how I pushed you. I know how I supported you. I know what I was for you. I know I was a real friend. I know how much I loved you. So there's nothing that you guys can do and tear and stir for make it seems otherwise, because I know this, baby. My heart that beats inside, I know that. So as long as me and God good, Uno can say whatever Uno want to say about me. Uno can twist whatever Uno want to twist. Uno can plot whatever Uno want to stop. But tonight was the night. Me not if I have no voice, but me have to come here, be my own voice and talk for myself. Because when I try to create this narrative, oh, I'm so afraid of Spice. But you want to be my friend. Make it make sense because the math not mathing. Make it make sense. Spice, don't let them say I love you. I just wanted to clear that up because I feel like I said, Love and Hip Hop is not a Spice show, so we're not gonna get the full detail when the episode them come on. So me have to use my platform when me have my little platform and explain myself to my fans. It just so happens that you guys are on here as well. But me owe it to my fans for explain. Say, listen, I disagree. Nobody feel like me crazy. Me now get up and say, oh, I don't want to be somebody's friend for no reason. I'm not mad. I'm not crazy. I just love hard. I'm very passionate when I love. And yes, I did love Karlie. She was my friend. Well, I thought she was. What? No. Me and the man not there. On the death. What me I do with people when me can't trust? So I'm not going to stay on here. I think I said all what I needed to say. I read the letter for you guys. I explained in detail what happened.